Let's actually talk about something which has glittered all through this year, and that's not equities at all. That's in fact the commodities, the precious metals, gold and silver. And there are dizzying heights, but every day you wake up and you see a newer record on both gold and silver. The unstoppable rally continues, and that has created a wide amount of FOMO among investors. With so much that we are actually given to understand it as far as silver prices are concerned. And, we've already been marking out for you on Business Today as well, how the top traded silver ETFs, as those from SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund, Axis Mutual Fund, are up between 9 to 13%. And their NAVs, however, suggest valuation should be lower, implying that investors are actually paying up to 10% more than the actual underlying silver value. So when we also compare with what's happening on silver internationally and domestically, there's also a gap. So $51 an ounce for silver is what you're seeing in the international market, but back home it's even higher. And this surge represents a case of FOMO buying. Silver hit 1.7 lakhs per kilograms now, and just look at the swift rally that we've seen in a very short span of time. Suddenly everybody wants a piece of the metal, and investors who ignored silver below 1 lakh rupees are now rushing in to buy silver ETFs above 1.5 lakh rupees, above 1.3 lakh rupees, even if it means paying a hefty premium at that as well. Same way for gold, also back above the $4,000 or mark on the international level, and back home also, Diwali related purchases have also started to move after a 4 month of low lying footfall because of the high prices. Let's come to both of you to take your view on gold and silver, and how are you advising investors on ETF related buying, physical buying, and how they are now looking at a diversification beyond equities, since equities have disappointed year on year, when we compare to gold or silver in the last couple of years. Gaurav, starting with you.
Firstly, yes, the shine of gold and silver, the metals are back and up. They have actually demonstrated the pace can be taken up any time. A straight up move as far as gold futures are concerned from a 1 lakh to 1 lakh 23,000 plus levels is what we are seeing. So our equity investors can just stick around with their equity trading accounts and look at the ETFs, that is gold Bs and silver Bs for that matter, and they can just buy this just like any other delivery stock that they buy from their trading accounts. And a SIP kind of a position is what I would suggest. I will not be suggesting the investors to take a lump sum position or a lump sum buying at the current levels. Go at gradual buying now, as they have already run up. 1,25,000 was the level that we are eyeing at for this year. Gold is already near those levels, so frankly, I'm not suggesting to take a whole lot of a chunk at these levels. Wait for some dip to coming, and then the bulk buying should be done. Other than that, SIP in both these, the silver metal and gold, is advised.
Okay, got that. Prashant, to you again. Fresh highs for above 1,50,000 for silver on MCX. The spot and the current levels that we see, and the futures are even higher. How would you look at them?
We are in the different zone. I think globally, central banks are buying gold as well as silver in their portfolios. And again, India has a different story. We are into the festival season, upcoming Diwali again, and a lot of marriage season also started. So I think gold is in need of all the festivals as well as the marriage. So the situation is very difficult where physical gold is being bought at every high because it is the need of the hour for any festival. But I would advise all the investors to have some kind of digital gold as a portfolio part where we already missed to have such kind of allocation with respect to gold as silver in our portfolio. So I think now the ETFs are giving such kind of advantages for the investors to have gold and silver as a part of their portfolio, not to directly have a physical gold or a physical silver. Obviously, the way how gold has rallied, silver has taken some kind of space in the people's physical buying, and that is the reason why silver is outbeating the gold in the recent times. So overall, the portfolio, we have missed it to have a part of allocation. But again, I think the informed investors are trying to have ETF as a portfolio.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.